Masizibusele kubabukeli bonke ba TV xhosa commentators or predictors. Today we'll have a quick 6 odds to 7 odds. Today we're in Spain where Atletico Madrid versus Mallorca. They just give Atletico straight win. The second one is Nottingham Forest in England against Brighton. Just give Brighton and a draw. Another one is Rapid Vienna versus FC Sassolberg. Just give the over 1.5. In Egypt, Zamalek versus Ceramica. Just give double chance the Zamalek and the draw. Another one is Chelsea versus Brentford in England. Just say send off no. West Ham versus Liverpool. Just say send off no. Manchester United versus Arsenal. Just say send off no. Falcao versus FC Porto. Just give Porto straight win. In Spain, Royal Vallecano versus Barcelona. Just say send off no. Celta Vigo again in Spain versus Elche. Just say send off no. Thanks for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We love you.